Vidnami allows you to use your own video clips in two different ways. The first option is to upload a video clip and use it as a background clip for a regular scene, just like the clips you'll find in our built-in library. With this option, you won't hear the audio of your uploaded video clip because it is being used as a background clip. The second way to use your own video clips is to upload a standalone video clip that includes audio. Here's how it works. You scroll to the position where you want to add a standalone clip. Then you click the Add Video Clip button. This will insert a new video scene, which is a placeholder for your standalone clip. Over here, you'll see that the media section now shows your uploaded clip library. If you don't already have any clips in your media library, you can upload one by clicking this button. If your standalone video clip has its own audio, you can click this button so the background music of your video stops while the standalone video clip plays. Uploading a standalone clip like this is a great option for adding intros, outros, or product demos to your videos.